C#, how to create continuous scroll, like in Adobe Reader, PDF Viewer. Step 1. To install the .NET PDF Viewer SDK installer from http://www.viscomsoft.com/products/net-pdf-viewer-sdk. Step 2. Launch Visual Studio 2010 or another version of Visual Studio. Select Visual C#, select Windows Forms application. Step 3. In the Solution Explorer, right-click References and then click Add Reference. Step 4. Select Browse tab, navigate to the extracted .NET PDF Viewer SDK for Readist folder, open it, and select viscomsoft.pdfviewer.dll, viscomsoft.pvcore.dll. Step 5. At the top of the form1.cs file, add the following import statements to the top of the page. Step 6. The following code bit presents the PDF Viewer SDK initialization. Step 7. Load the PDF file. Step 8. Now that you can loaded a PDF file, but the display area is very small. So add following code to the form1.cs file. Step 9. Add resize canvas, in form1_load event. Step 10. Select the form in the designer, then go to the Properties window and find the Events button. Step 11. Select Resize Event and double-click it. Step 12. Add Resize Canvas, in form1_resize event. Step 13. Press F5 to run the project, now it can loading and display the PDF document. You may download this sample source code from Thank you for your watching.